Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings, then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features over here. After that, you need to scroll down again and click on Dual Messenger. Then click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you want to clone. In my case, it's Facebook only. Then choose Install and tap on Confirm. Over here you can click on the switcher next to Off if you want to use separate contact list, but I don't want to, so I will go with Next and tap on Yes. Now we have to wait a bit, and then when I click Home button and go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!